Always remember, Z, I am the first one. Oh boy, the night has just started and Z is already late. Hear the crunch. The Ancient Ones awaken. Their power flows through me. The ritual begins. I am the daughter of Ra, ruler of the eternal Nile. My voice echoes through the ages. The shadows whisper your name.
And they lead me to you.
Then surrender to the dark. I sense a change in the winds. The path ahead is uncertain, but I must find the strength. The shadows whisper of danger. We cannot turn back now. What path do you see? Guide me through this darkness.
Charge! For victory and glory! Forward! Crush them! For the Empire!
Come out of hiding, Z. We are ready.